Presented by Centum U, Institute of Management and Creative Studies. And knowledge partner www.topanlearning.com. Study smarter, score higher.
इसके बाद बारी थी कोलकाता के एन गंगाधर रेड्डी की, जो अपने वेंचर मैग्नम कंक्रीट के साथ हाजिर थे। इसके तहत वो उड़ीसा में फ्लाई ऐश से ईंटें बनाते हैं। इसके लिए उनकी कंपनी ने हाल ही में चीन से आधुनिक मशीनें भी मंगवाई हैं। अपने वेंचर को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए उन्हें फंड मुहैया करवाने वालों की तलाश है, ताकि वो ऑटोक्लेव्ड एरेटेड कंक्रीट ब्लॉक्स की यूनिट लगा सके।
Now here we are planning AAC manufacturing line, which is a value addition superior product for which we seek funding here. So AAC is autoclaved aerated concrete blocks in molds, and they are allowed to swell by bubbling chemical action or aeration. Then they are wire cut to desired sizes. Then they are steam cured for 8 hours or autoclaved. That is why the name autoclaved aerated concrete blocks. At the end of the day, we have 2.5 times lighter block, which is eco-friendly and ready to go into the market within a day.
हल्की होने की वजह से ये ईंटें बिल्डिंग बनाने में सामान्य ईंटों के मुकाबले 30% तक कम लगती हैं। जिस तरह से इंडस्ट्री में ग्रीन बिल्डिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट पॉपुलर हो रहा है, गंगाधर रेड्डी को भरोसा है कि उनके इस प्रोजेक्ट को कामयाबी के नए मौके मिलते रहेंगे।
The problem in the market is that there is a rise in demand and there is a shrinkage in supply of conventional bricks. And high industrialization of Orissa, it demands a deadline on each of the project, and there is a demand market challenge for overall cost and time cutting on each of the projects. The opportunity what we see is that the industry wants light building materials, and there is a deadline demand also, and thermal insulation is desired a lot, and eco-friendliness is a great plus, and CDM project, it is a big bonus. The market, our market is high-end users, and also 10 floor plus apartment builders. And of course, the company's market potential, the target group is well within our present pool of patrons and customers. The 7 new 20 plus building, they must take our product. And we are also exploring the possibility of marketing outlets at Vizag and Calcutta.
मैग्नम कंक्रीट ने फंड जुटाने के लिए कई सरकारी बैंकों से संपर्क किया है।
These all are the direct competition, and we will directly go to the competitive domestic fly ash blocks, KB blocks, and laterite. These are the direct competitions. They have so many disadvantages. Even laterite blocks there is a government ban on use, and they have a limited use. The indirect competition, ply, WPC, and gypsum, they cannot be used as outer walls. The masonry is not possible. Anticipated future funding needs, there are none, because the first year's profit will be plowed back for the second year's capacity expansion. Exit strategies, we propose to buy back 20% of shares every year from second year onwards. ROI for the investors, we guarantee a minimum of 25% of ROI.
How much more costly will it be over normal fly ash bricks?
Sir, let me be frank with you. The cost of production is almost the same as normal fly ash bricks, because the material is being swelled. So when we compare the cubic meter rates are fixed on cubic meters, not on number of bricks, because there we get a price advantage. So when we compare cubic meter rates of this with fly ash bricks, we get almost the equal cost of production, though we can sell at a premium price of about 30 to 50%. So that is the thing.
With this level of profitability,
yes sir,
why do you want to inject only 81 lakhs from your side as a promoter?
Our company, we are going ahead with this format of funding for the first time, and we want to create a profile and a strong presence in this funding format. That is why you do not have better opportunity than this contest to do so. Apart from that, I have already told, this is just a suggestion. We are open to any other workable format.
What is really surprising is,
yes sir,
that in the first year you are projecting a 30% break-even point.
Right,
in the fifth year you are projecting a 10% break-even point.
Yes sir.
With this level of break-evens,
yes sir,
and with the investments not being too much, why are you going to part with your profit to a third-party financer?
Sir, as I have told, we are having big projects lined up for this. In venture funding format, this is our first going. So that was just a suggestion to show our confidence. Maybe at the negotiation stage, we are open to any other suggestions, maybe 25%, maybe 75-25 or any other things. It is just a suggestion.
Actually, you see, what we are, I don't know, is we are probably looking for uniqueness and
right,
ideas.
Sir. Right, sir.
But where is the uniqueness in this idea? I don't see any uniqueness in this. This is, you are giving a showing us a very lucrative business. Tomorrow maybe I will be spending 5 crore rupees and start this business. But I actually don't see uniqueness in this total things, everything. You see,
Right, sir.
if the amount of profitability is showing,
Right, sir.
there are a lot of people sitting with your money. They're sitting on a money.
Yes, sir.
They will be tempted to get into that business and start that business.
Regarding the uniqueness, most of the AAC blocks units which are there in India, maybe hardly 4 or 5 so far as I know. There are Bombay, there are 2 in Bangalore, and maybe 2 others are coming up near Gurgaon and Pune. They have done this project, but first of all, they haven't done CDM registration. Number 2, they haven't imported their machineries under EPCG. It's the overall view, how we control our project, how we execute our project.
You are talking of execution uniqueness, but the idea's uniqueness, where's the idea's uniqueness?
It's quite an expensive way of doing it, because this is a very profitable project.
Right, sir.
The way I look at it, if your cost of production
Yes.
of AAC bricks
Right,
is
sir.
similar to that of conventional fly ash bricks,
Right, sir. Per cubic meter.
ultimately the prices also will converge. There's no barrier to entry. This is not proprietary technology. So people will flock to this business until the excess margin that you are earning now
Right.
on the AAC bricks
Right, sir.
is eliminated. I mean, it will converge, is neutralized.
When we are targeting at local market, the head start is the most important thing. We already have a head start because of our present existence in the market, and this needs logistic. 1 lakh cubic meter per annum, it needs a lot of logistics, maybe around 30-40 trucks coming in every day. So the logistics, our logistics is well developed. That is why we are courageous enough to go ahead with this project. Thank you all.
Different banking solutions from HSBC, the world's local bank.
Is it possible that breathtaking has a physical address?